Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Driven Garage. Today I wanted to show you how to actually go ahead and replace your side marker light bulb and also replace your side marker. A lot of people go ahead and get rid of these amber ones and go to a clear one. As me, I am actually just going to replace my amber one because as you can see, mine is cracked, which is okay though. These aren't too expensive depending on if you get them in-store, out-of-store, in dealer, out-of-dealer, online. 30, 50 bucks. They're not too hard. Relatively pretty simple. There's going to be a rubber thing, behind here. So the light bulb would be in there. You don't have to take the wheel off, but I took it off because one, to make it easier to shoot this for you. You could probably turn your wheel. If not, just take the wheel off. It's not too hard. Put the wheel back on when you're done, okay? But inside, there is going to be, as you can see on here, two nuts that sit on these studs. They're 10 millimeters. Just go ahead. You'd use an adjustable wrench, socket, loosen them up. They come right off. They're really not too hard to do. So as you can see, the older one pops out. Relatively pretty simple. There's the holes. The broken one is out. Or if you're just amber one or whatever you wanted to put in your new clear side marker in, it's out. It's relatively pretty simple, guys. I know a lot of people want to upgrade it, update the look of it, and put the clear side markers on. Just go ahead and it's really not that hard, guys. It's pretty simple. Another thing I'm going to be doing, since I already have this out, is removing the 194 light bulb and just putting a LED light bulb in there. These are made by Samsung. Pretty simple little upgrade, you know. These 194s don't burn out relatively too much, but everyone knows how long LEDs last. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that so I don't ever have to actually take that out and replace it. Then your new one, it's going to relatively be pretty simple, guys. Just slides right in. And then go ahead, just take the nuts, put them on. Gonna hand tighten these up for you just so you can see what it looks like real quick. Just gonna show you the difference with the 194 light bulb. It's not extreme, but there's that. Now the 194 Samsung light bulb, probably going to look a lot more yellow just because it's more of a white to it, but as you can see, it's not bad, guys. You know, you don't go to have to do the 194 LED light bulb, but I'm just doing it. Alright, and then there's going to be the finished product, and after that, you know, just go ahead, make sure to put the cover back on, wheel if you took it off, and should be all set to good, guys. Hope you liked the video. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you got any comments, questions, or concerns, just leave them in the comment below. I'll do my best. Other than that, see you guys later.